All right, we're doing a little house cleaning today and also a little repair of a mistake that I made. Follow along. So you may be tempted to go out and buy some sulfuric acid or muriatic acid like this to brighten your tile floors, clean the excess mortar from bricks, and get rid of the haze on your tile. It works really great. You can dilute that 50-50, put it in a spray bottle, wipe it around, and you get rid of all that nasty haze that you can't get off with any type of detergent on your freshly remodeled tile. But, and here is the big caveat, if you're not careful with your freshly washed tile with muriatic acid in your freshly remodeled kitchen, that you have freshly purchased stainless steel appliances, this acid will rust your appliances, just the splatter. So when you're washing the floor here and you happen to splatter a little bit on the fridge and you don't notice, the stove, the dishwasher, and the sink that you put the acid bottle into that discolored your brand new appliances, you may freak out like I did. But be aware, there is a fix. There's always a fix for everything. I had to dig deep into my automotive roots to fix it using Meguiar's 105 ultra cut compound, a wool pad on an electric automotive buffer, and a little Windex. So follow along and see how I got myself out of this this big mess. All right, so we're working in the kitchen today, and you may ask, what am I doing with an automotive buffer, buffing compound, and a dishwasher that's stainless steel? Well, we have tile floors, you can see that or not, and I just gave them a good coating to get the haze off after sealing the grout and fixing some grout areas with some muriatic acid, which is good for cleaning concrete and etching concrete, but it's not so good for your stainless steel appliances if you don't realize that you splashed some on there. You can see there's some rust forming in some spots. See those dark spots there, like right through there? Maybe it's hard to see, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. But as I did the work on the floor, I accidentally splashed my dishwasher, brand new, never been used, and it really bothers me that I got rust stain on my stainless steel appliance. I actually had some on the lower part of the stove there, which I've already buffed off, so I know that it works. But the fridge has got some too. See on the very bottom there? I don't know if that'll focus on that. So we're going to get that off. I'm going to use a automotive buffer and some Meguiar's ultra cut compound and see if we can clean up our appliances. Okay, so I took some Meguiar's there and I prepped our wool pad. This is also a Meguiar's wool pad with a little compound, and we're going to go to work on our dishwasher. All right, so you can see how much black dirt and rust and stuff came off of my dishwasher. And I'm using a towel here. You can see on my towel as I polish it what a difference that makes. Took all the little rust off there, the acid etch from the rust, kind of polished up a little bit. Oh, I've got some more to do, right? Right there. See, I got to polish that edge. I think I'm going to polish this whole edge. If you can't get the haze off with just a dry towel, you can use a little Windex. This also works for acid stains in your stainless steel basin sink. Let's see if we can get those out. See these here? Right there, right there. All right, so that worked pretty good. You can still see I missed this little acid etch mark, but all this acid etching out of the stainless steel sink has come out. And I think I've got one more spot on this side. Now pay attention to your wool buffer. See how it's becoming really black like that? Get a new pad or clean this one. Otherwise you're going to end up just grinding this dirt or film right back into what you're trying to polish. Okay, there we go. It's looking pretty good. We'll wipe this down, make sure there's no spots left. Still see there's a little spot right there. It's much better and much shinier. This basin is completely done. It looks so much better. No more acid spots. This is the type of wool pad that I've been using. Try to focus in on that. It's a Meguiar's WWHC7, 7-inch. And I've got a Makita buffer, 9227C. It's a staple in the automotive industry for detailing. And if you can't get your compound off, you can use a little Windex. I think I might have mentioned that. So everything is going good. So happy. Okay, now we're going to put a brand new fresh pad on and we're going to work on the fridge. See that kind of rusty stains on the bottom there? My camera will focus. Put a new pad on. Just want to center it just like that. Let's go to work. And now we're going to buff that off a little bit. Look at that, good as new. Looks so much better. Now I just did the bottom of the fridge. You'll notice it's a little shinier than the top, or oh, maybe if I wiped it down a little bit, it would all match. So we've done the fridge, we've done the stove, and we've done the dishwasher, and we've done the sink. And they all look fantastic. I'm so happy. Really, really makes me happy. Thanks for watching.